A pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data that lets you see comparisons, patterns, and trends in your data. With a pivot table you can analyze data to reveal patterns and trends. Select cells in your table or range. Select Insert Pivot Table. Or choose Recommended Pivot Tables. Choose where you want the pivot table to go. Choose where you want the pivot table to go. Add the fields you want in your pivot table. Now drag the fields. How to refresh pivot table. Now if you're changing the data and you want it to reflect in the pivot, go to Source Data and modify the data. Now go to Pivot Table Analyze and select Refresh. You can see the data updated in the pivot. Create a pivot chart in Excel is to better present and visualize your raw data. Select a cell in a range or table. Select Insert Pivot Chart. Choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. Select OK. Select the fields to display in the pivot chart. Need to create a chart from pivot table. Select a cell from the pivot table. Select Pivot Table. Analyze Pivot Chart. Choose a chart. Select OK.